Voila. 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 So we have the laptop here. Wrapped in plastic. I'm giving birth right now. Push. Push plastic. Push. It's a Dell.
Under the app and browser control, this can block unwanted apps, and currently it's turned off. You want to make sure it's turned on, and you press put in your password, and it will enable it.
It feels like metal, and it's very light. Feels sturdy. Wow. So, we got the silver exterior with the XPS logo at the bottom, just so you know it's official. The exterior is silver, and the inside. Look at the inside. I love my insides black. That way, when we touch them keys with our bare fingertips, it doesn't get dirty. Oh, look at that infinite screen. No logo on the screen. No bezel. No bezel. That's beautiful. Look at the edges. Oh, it's sharp. Look at that long trackpad. Look at the trackpad. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the speakers on each side. That's perfect. That's perfect. Alright. It's a Dell, you guys. It's a Dell.